Hello, I'm Ederson Oliveira. I'll be presenting this video for DotNetNuke.com. In this video, I'll be talking about the new Amazon S3 folder provider available in .NETNuke Professional and Enterprise editions. So here I have .NETNuke Professional edition on my local system, and as you can see, I have 29 days remaining before my trial period expires. So this is a trial site, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into the backend to try to set up an Amazon S3 folder for my DotNetNuke site. Now I'm gonna log into the backend as super user because, again, to do that I have to log in as super user. In my case here, host. Once I'm in the backend, I can go to admin and then file manager. Now in file manager, you will see by default the standard folder structure. And if you have not changed any of the folder providers, you're going to see standard, secure, and database. I had another video that I have covered all those three types of folders, and I'm going to link this video to it so you can find in the video post. Now, what I'm going to do from here to set up Amazon S3 is I'm going to manage, and under manage, I'm going to manage manage folder types. Then this window comes up and I can see the standard folder definitions, and I'm gonna add a new type. When I do that, I can put a name, and I'm gonna say, let's say my Amazon S3. I'm going to select a provider, which can be Azure, Windows Azure. That's not what I'm covering today. I'm covering the Amazon S3 folder provider. So I'm gonna select that, and I have to enter my access key ID and my secret access key as well. Now, where you're gonna get that? You're gonna get that in Amazon S3. Now, I'm assuming that you have an Amazon S3 account already. So in the other tab here in my browser, I have Amazon Management Console, and the first tab that we have is Amazon S3. Now you can see that I have already a few buckets there. Now, for us to find those that information here, access key and secret key, we have to go to Amazon S3. And we have to go to account. Let's go to account. From account, I'm gonna go to security credentials, and it's asking me to log in. I'm gonna log in here to Amazon Web Services. Now from here, I can scroll down and I can see my access key, and my secret key is available once I click show. Okay, so I'm gonna copy my access key. I'm going to paste there under the access key field. I'm going to go back and check my secret access key by clicking show. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go back, place it under the secret access key. Now, with those two informations, I can click on the drop down and I can select refresh. So now the site is connecting to Amazon S3, and now I can see the list of buckets available in Amazon S3 right now that I have. Now I can select to create a new bucket there, and I'm going to create a new bucket just for this website. So I'm going to call this DNN6 Pro. This will be the name of my new bucket. I can communicate via HTTPS secure or via simple HTTP. I'm gonna keep it the secure connection there, and I'm gonna click update. Let's see what will happen here. So now I have a new folder type defined, which is called my Amazon S3, and I can just close this window. So let me close this. It refreshed the page, and under folders I can see now my Amazon S3 is it's one option there in my folders drop down. So now I'm just gonna expand the portal root view, and I'm gonna create a new folder under Amazon S3. So I'm gonna select my Amazon S3. I'm gonna create a folder called my images, and I'm gonna click on add. So as you can see, a new folder called my images was created. As you can see, the little icon here, it resembles the Amazon S3, the Amazon icon. So you can see that visually that this is an Amazon S3 folder. Now, if I go back to Amazon S3, to my console, I should be able to see another bucket that was created for this website. Let's wait to load, and we have a new one called DNN6 Pro, which was the one that I have just created. Now I'm gonna try to upload an image to my Amazon S3 folder. So I'm just gonna select it here, and I'm gonna click upload. I will select an image, actually click browse. So let's see what I have. I think I have an image here somewhere. I have test image. I'm gonna upload it to my images. It's not zipped, and I'm gonna click on upload file. Let's see what will happen. Test.png was uploaded successfully. I'm gonna click return, and if I expand, click my images, test.png is there. If I go to Amazon S3 and I click on my bucket, DNN6 Pro, I should be able to see my images folder. And if I open that, I should be able to see test.png. So files are getting stored there. Now I'm gonna try one last thing. I'm gonna try to use this test image in the content itself. So I'm gonna flip to, let's say, the home page. I'm gonna go try to edit the content and link to that image in Amazon S3. So I'm gonna click under manage and then edit content. From here, let's say I'm gonna add an image by clicking this icon and then insert media. And from here, I should be able to click my images. Here's test.png. I can click on it. This is the test image that I have created. I can click insert, and it should have shown up here. I've tried doing some research, but could not find an answer for that. In any case, I've decided to try just switch to basic text box. And yes, there is an image tag, and there's a path that links to linkclick.aspx, and then there's a file ID code. If I grab that and I try to open that in another tab of mine, the image shows up. So I'm not 100% sure of why it's not showing up here. I'm gonna keep researching, and if I find, or when I find an answer, I will come back and I'll revisit this particular post. But that is basically how you can go about integrating Amazon S3 with DotNetNuke by using the new Amazon S3 folder provider. Thank you very much, and that's it for now.